What will be the increase in length of a steel rod of length 0.5 meter when its temperature is increased by 60 degrees Celsius? The coefficient of linear expansion of steel is 0.00000131 per degree Celsius. Given initial length of rod equal to 0.5 meter, change in temperature equal to 60 degree Celsius, then what will be the change in length, that is delta L? Using formula 6, delta L equal to lambda into L1 into delta T equal to 0.000013 into 0.5 into 60 equal to 0.00039 meter. Increase in length equal to 0.039 centimeter. Areal expansion of solids. Similar to linear expansion, the area of a sheet of a solid material also increases on heating. This is called the areal expansion of solid. This is given by the following formula. A2 equal to A1 in bracket L plus sigma delta T. This is the equation number 9. Here delta T is the change in temperature and A1 and A2 are the initial and final areas of the sheet. Sigma is the coefficient of areal expansion of the solid. Volumetric expansion of solids. Similar to a sheet, a three-dimensional piece of solid expands on all sides when heated and its volume increases. This is called the volumetric expansion of a solid. This is given by the following formula. V2 equal to V1 in bracket 1 plus beta delta T. This is equation number 10. Here delta T is the change in temperature and V1 and V2 are the initial and final volumes of the solid. Beta is the volumetric expansion coefficient of the solid. Do you know? Have you seen rails? They are not continuous. A small gap is kept between them at regular intervals. This is shown in the figure. This is kept to accommodate the change in the length of the rails with change in temperature. If this gap is not kept, then the rails will get distorted due to expansion in summer, which may lead to accidents. Similar to rails, the length of bridges can also increase due to expansion in summer. The length of the 18 km long Great Belt Bridge in Denmark increases by 4.7 meter in summer. Therefore, provision is made in the construction of the bridges to accommodate this expansion. Expansion of liquids. A liquid does not have a definite shape, but it has a definite volume. So we may define a volumetric expansion coefficient for a liquid as follows. V2 equal to V1 in bracket 1 plus beta delta T. This is equation number 11. Here delta T is the change in temperature and V1 and V2 are the initial and final volumes of the liquid.